AM Strata originally started as Gold Coast Body Corporate Specialists in 1996. We manage around the 4,000 lot mark. We're a small to medium-sized firm. We try to build good relationships with our clients. We pride ourselves on doing that. We've been with BBC Digital for 12 years. We take buildings on that have used other systems and their records, they're just nowhere near the quality of Strata. It's the major software program, certainly in Queensland. We've always used it. It's an integrated program, so we can slot in Taskmax and the Hub and DocMax, so it's a very versatile program. Money to people is probably the most important thing, and paying creditors on time so those tradesmen will come out when you need them. I think a lot of people don't understand just how big a part of body corp management it is. It's kind of a bit forgotten in the background. It's data entry and you have thousands of invoices a week. It's easy just to get caught in that, a blind spotter so to speak, that it's just a repetitive thing. And the staff can devote time to other aspects of the financial management of the buildings, more time on billing, more time on just preparing reports that we use for management.
Graham, our objective was clear, to provide an AP solution for Strata. Take us through a bit of the journey there.
Okay, so the journey really starts at email. One of the biggest problems they had was the amount of invoices coming through the system, and at the moment they had to manually import those into DocMax. So if we jump onto the actual system over here,
yes,
we'll jump onto DocMax, and over here you can see this is where they used to drag and drop each invoice and index those invoices. So nice and easy if you've got a couple per day. When you're getting 100 to 300 per day, that becomes a lot of work. Opening up the email, looking at the PDF invoice, dragging and dropping it, then of course filling in your invoice number, your document date, your totals and so on.
Sure.
So what we did there is basically using our capture solution, we can now grab that invoice directly from email. So automatically download the PDF documents into a folder and then process them from there.
Interaction from an accounts payable person. So for example, that I've received, as you say, 100, 200 invoices in a day. What involvement is from the AP's requirements?
So all they need to do now is what we do is we set up some subfolders under their accounts payable email.
Yes.
And what they will do is drag and drop all the emails with the invoices into those subfolders. What happens then, of course, the system takes action, grabs the documents, indexes the documents, pushes it into DocMax with all the information, and then of course they take it through to the credits commitment screen and they can process the documents straight in.
From what we've obviously had the chance to already talk to Angela and Strata, we're looking at up to 70% plus re-resourcing time for a normal AP person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Yeah, that's tremendous.
Correct, you know. With regards to e-invoices and electronic documents coming in now, your accuracy with regards to picking up the metadata from the document is always going up. With scanned images, of course, what we do there is on the Canon photocopier, we'll scan directly through to the email. So nice and easy for all those paper-based invoices coming into the system.
And I've got a list of what we're looking up for verification through the product, which is the CTS number, which of course is the building number, the ABN, the company name, address, work order number, description, and very importantly what we've got feedback from us, BSB and account numbers.
Correct.
So if we've got these fields, we can populate, search into Strata, verify and upload immediately.
Correct.